It can be done. I'm just saying you can pay off your mortgage in 15 years or less. And today I am going to show you how. I am going to discuss the strategies that we use that can help you pay off your 30-year mortgage in just 15 years. Just 15 years. And if you're really aggressive, you can pay it off even sooner. So can you imagine being mortgage free and owning your home outright in 15 years or less? I mean, think about that. You're 35 years old, and by the age of 40, 45, or 50, you don't have a mortgage payment. Awesome, right? So I'm Denise Watkins. I'm with the Watkins team, R.E. Samson Properties, and that's what we want to achieve. So let's get started. But before we dive into any of this, do me a huge favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because it really helps our channel. And make sure you look in the description below. I have placed a link to an awesome tool that I use and I want to share with you. So this tool, it will help you track your home value. It will give you advice about when to buy or sell your home, when to refinance it, when to drop the mortgage insurance premiums, how to save by paying your principal payments, even how much you can make if you rent your home on an Airbnb. Awesome, right? So here's the secret. These are the same strategies that my husband and I are using to pay off our mortgage in 5 years. So let's get started. First, let's discuss the benefits of paying off your mortgage early. Not only will you save thousands of dollars in interest, but you'll also gain financial freedom. You'll reduce stress, and you'll increase your ability to invest in other opportunities. Now, let's dive into the action plan, because I know that's what you're waiting for, right? Number one, increase your monthly payments. To do this, just add an extra amount to your mortgage payments monthly. Even $100 or more each month can make a significant difference. Before you start paying extra money, you need to reach out to your lender, have them to apply the payment to your principal balance, because if you don't, they will apply it towards your escrow. So you can also set this up online as well with some banks. Number two, bi-weekly payments. So instead of making monthly payments, switch to bi-weekly payments. This method, it reduces your loan term by one extra payment per year. This is how you do it. You split your monthly payments in half and make a payment every 2 weeks. So you'll be making 26 half payments or 13 full payments in a year. That extra payment, it goes toward the principal balance of your loan, which reduces the amount of money that can be charged in interest. Bang. So as a result, you'll end up paying less interest and owing less money to your lender. For example, let me show you what I use. I went to Bank Rate Calculator and they come up with this estimate. So let's say that a borrower with $500,000 30-year fixed rate loan at 7.73% would save $220,000 in interest by switching from monthly to bi-weekly payments. Bam. So number three, lump sum payments. Whenever you get a bonus, a tax refund, or any unexpected income, apply it to your mortgage principal. Now, this can be hard, but if you stay focused on your goals, you can reap the benefits later on. So, number four, refinance to a 15-year loan. So you can refinance your mortgage to a 15-year term to lock in lower interest rates, but unfortunately you'll have higher monthly payments, which will help you pay off your loan faster. However, this might not be a good option for you if your current mortgage rate is less than the market rate. So with dedication and these strategies, you can pay off your mortgage in 15 years, but I want you to look at something even more ambitious. Paying off your mortgage in 10 years, right? So number one, significantly increase your monthly payments. You want to calculate how much money you need to pay each month to meet your 10-year goal. So this might mean doubling your current payment. You can do that, right? Number two, downsize and use the equity. It's feasible, if it's feasible. So you can consider selling your home, buying a smaller home or less expensive one, and using that equity to pay off the new mortgage quickly. And then number three, aggressive budgeting. Implementing a strict budget to cut unnecessary expenses. You want to redirect those savings toward your mortgage payment. Number four, you want to invest in extra income. So look for additional income sources like a side job or passive income streams, and dedicate that money to your mortgage. Okay, so these steps require more commitment, but it can drastically reduce your mortgage term to 10 years. Now, if you think that was bad, now you're ready for the ultimate challenge. Here's how to pay off your mortgage in 5 years or less. Now, this is going to require some major changes, but it can be done. So number one, make drastic lifestyle changes. Adopt a minimalist lifestyle to significantly reduce your living expenses. So every dollar that you save can go toward your mortgage principal. And then number two, no spend month. This is like a challenge. You list your rent, your utilities, your groceries, and transportation, and that's it. These are the only expenses you allow during the month. So everything that you save for the month goes directly to the mortgage principal. Come on and join the challenge. Number three, sell high value assets. Consider selling your high value assets like a second car or a luxury item and apply those proceeds to your mortgage principal. So number four, commit all extra funds, your tax refund, your bonus, your windfall to your mortgage. Stay disciplined, stay focused on your goal. And number five, create a crazy budget. When you write down your expenses on what's going out versus what's coming in, you'll be really surprised. It clarifies everything. You can use a budget app to keep track of everything. I use a budget app. I use the Dave Ramsey Everyday Dollar, and that works for me. You can find one yourself as well. Number six, reduce your overhead. Look at your budget or your bank statement and see the charges that are typically coming in every month, and ask yourself if you really need them all. Now, I'm talking about Netflix, Prime, Pandora, Spotify, HBO Plus. Do you really need all of these streaming services? $14, $19, $15, $150. These are all items that add up, and you're probably not using them all. Get rid of some of them. Take that money and apply toward the principal balance of your mortgage. The goal is to find extra money, and this is one of them. Trust me, it is. So I want to thank you for joining me today. Paying off your mortgage early requires planning, it requires discipline, and a clear vision of your financial future. So whether your goal is 15, 10, 5 years, these action plans can help you achieve the dream of being mortgage free. So if you have any questions or you need personalized advice, feel free to reach out to me. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tips, and to share with anyone who could benefit from these strategies. And don't forget to check out the next video, Crushing Your Goals. Until next time, I am Denise Watkins. Take care and see you on the next video. Bye for now.